Intro. Space is vast, mysterious, and terrifyingly beautiful. From silent explosions to stars bigger than our entire solar system, space is full of facts that sound fake but are completely real. In this video, we're exploring 10 mind-blowing facts about space that will change how you see the universe. Let's begin. Fact 1. Space is completely silent. Space looks loud in movies: explosions, lasers, and whirring engines. But in reality, space is completely silent. That's because sound needs a medium, like air, to travel. Space is a near-perfect vacuum, meaning there's almost no air at all. So if a massive star exploded right next to you, you'd see an incredible flash of light, but you wouldn't hear a single sound. Fact 2. Venus is the hottest planet. You might think Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is the hottest, but it's not. Venus holds that title. Venus has a thick atmosphere full of carbon dioxide that traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Surface temperatures on Venus are hot enough to melt lead. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus is far more deadly. Fact 3. There are more stars than grains of sand. Scientists estimate there are over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy contains billions or even trillions of stars. That means there are likely more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Let that sink in. Fact 4. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus spins incredibly slowly on its axis. One full rotation one day takes about 243 Earth days. But Venus orbits the Sun in only 225 Earth days. So a single day on Venus is actually longer than an entire year there. Fact 5. Neutron stars are insanely dense. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars. They pack more mass than the Sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers wide. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. It's one of the densest objects in the universe. Fact 6. Astronauts grow taller in space. In microgravity, astronauts can grow up to 5 centimeters taller. This happens because gravity no longer compresses the spine. Once they return to Earth, gravity pulls everything back down and they shrink to normal height again. Fact 7. Black holes bend time. Black holes don't just pull in matter, they also affect time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time slows down near massive objects. Near a black hole, time slows so much that to an outside observer, it may appear almost frozen. If you could survive near one which you can't, you'd experience time very differently. Fact 8. The Sun is almost everything. The Sun accounts for 99.8% of the entire mass of the solar system. All the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets combined make up just 0.2%. Without the Sun's gravity, the solar system would fall apart instantly. Fact 9. Space isn't empty. Even though space is mostly a vacuum, it's not completely empty. It contains gas, dust, radiation, magnetic fields, and mysterious dark matter. This invisible matter makes up most of the universe, yet we still don't fully understand it. Fact 10. Looking at space means looking back in time. Light takes time to travel. When you look at the Sun, you're seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. When you look at distant galaxies, you're seeing them as they were millions or even billions of years ago. In a real sense, telescopes are time machines. Outro. The universe is bigger, stranger, and more incredible than we can truly imagine. And the more we learn about space, the more mysterious it becomes. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment which space fact shocked you the most. And remember, we've only explored a tiny fraction of what's out there.